Hello, Paultje. Welcome in to the. Is it here? Is it here? The No Shit Club, also known as the Carnivore Fun Club. So my name is Breed, and I've been carnivore mostly since 2021. And before that, in 2017, I stopped most processed foods and was eating a la what they call something like a paleo way of eating. And the reason for trying to change my food and way of eating was because of depression, recurring bouts of depression. So when I removed processed foods from my diet in 2017, that really helped me to get rid of the depression, which was something that I felt in every cell of my body. It seemed like it wasn't necessarily a mental thing, but more a physical thing where every cell felt just yucky, if you know what I mean. If any of you understand what I'm saying or have felt something like this, let me know below. But then move forward to 2021, and that's when I heard about the carnivore way of eating. And the reason for this motivation was physical pain. So I had a physical um, injury in my hip, even though I didn't have any type of fall or collision or bang. There was nothing that would bring about such an immediate injury. And to cut a long story short, I found the carnivore diet, the carnivore way of eating, and I started to eat only animal products. And within a matter of weeks, I was able to walk again properly. Before starting the carnivore diet, I wasn't able to go up the stairs without going on all fours up the stairs. And within a matter of weeks of starting to eat only animal products, um, I was walking normally and I was almost running unbeknownst to me. But the reason for this video is that I have been following lots of carnivore websites or carnivore YouTube channels, which are brilliant at keeping us all motivated. But what I noticed was a lack of a place where we can all just hang out together, like a fun club, you know, just to hang out and do things regularly with each other that bring about a complete, uh, I call it like a lotus of health. So it's not just enough to have the food that suits our body best, or to have the financial means, or to have a good family life. We need to have all of it together. And one of the most important aspects is this one here. which is a type of a fun, motivational, regular place to hang out to do healthy things together. So that is where I come in, guys. And I'm going to help you. You're going to help me because by me offering these services, I'm going to be more regular at the things that I know are great for my mental and physical health. And I'm going to be joined by you, and we're going to have fun together. Do you know often when you look at these videos on YouTube, something like a 7-day challenge or a 30-day challenge, and you get the comments below, and people say, yes, I'm starting today. And they come in and they say, Monday done, Tuesday done, Wednesday done. And then all the comments below a month later, so did you do the whole month? Or a year later, did you do the whole, like, how are you doing since? And the people have dropped off. I've done it before. You've done it before. You know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. So I am now providing a place where we can actually meet on Zoom to do different beautiful things that are healthy for us. Number one is just walking together. We're going to be walking together for 30 minutes and doing different movements with our feet and arms and playing. We're going to walk around to vibrant music and it's going to motivate us. We're going to do it first thing in the morning and it's going to brighten up our mood for the whole day. We are also going to have a session of dancing because I am also a DJ. I have a world music radio show. And I'm going to choose with the help of you because it'll be our playlist. I will be providing a playlist and we will all, on a nice Zoom meeting where we can all see each other, we're going to dance with each other and motivate each other to just move our bodies and listen to beautiful music. Ah. I'm also going to provide a special entry into the world of making my radio show, and you will be invited to come into a Zoom meeting with me while I'm recording my radio show. So I will also be playing special requests for you, etc. And you'll be helping me to make my show. You'll be welcome to join me in a Zoom meeting where I'll show you how I'm making my show, and later you can hear the show when it is broadcast around the world. And we have a laughter yoga club. Laughter yoga is one of the best things I've ever done. And it's not about making jokes, it's about making exercises which promote laughter. And when we are doing this together with a lot of silliness, and the silliness comes into every single session that we do, but the silliness of the exercises of laughter yoga help us to laugh and enjoy ourselves. And it is said that 10 minutes of deep belly laughter is brings about the same amount of physical improvement as 30 minutes on a rowing machine. A rowing machine for 30 minutes, if you have deep belly laughter for 10 minutes, then you can just send your rowing machine off and just say, whip away with your silly rowing machine. All we need to do is laugh. And laughing together is just an amazing thing. And especially nowadays when we have so many things that we aren't laughing about, and things that if you didn't laugh about, you would cry. So we're not going to cry. There's time for crying. There's always a time for crying, but we're going to be laughing. We're going to laugh. We're going to laugh, drinking our laughter potions and eating our laughter burgers and our fried eggs with a touch of laughter sprinkled on top of it. And we're gonna just have a great laugh with that. So we are. There's another beautiful thing that we need, gentleness and softness. And I have a beautiful mantra singing session that I offer where we just sing mantras together. The benefit of just humming. The benefits of humming mentally and physically are amazing. And one other offering is my beautiful spinal yoga. It's a full movement session for your spine. Very, very gentle. And all of the exercises that I will be doing with you, we will go very slowly. Recently, after an injury, I've been just doing my walking and my dancing just so softly and smoothly and listening to my body. So anytime there was any, I do always engage my muscles. So I'll be walking in the house to some beautiful fast music to wake me up. But I'll walk, I won't be stomping around. I'll be walking softly, but engaging all the muscles in my stomach and even in my throat, my neck, and my arms. And even thinking of that brings beautiful peace and tranquility. So that's all I'm going to say for today, Agini Ursula, dear friends. It's lovely to talk to you. And in the description below this video, I'm going to leave a link to the page where you can get more information about my different sessions and the different pricing available. Oh, yes, I did almost forget to say, but I did not forget because I remembered to say I have a calendar also below where you can choose to have a one-to-one with me for free. We can have a 20-minute Zoom call with each other so you can get to know me and I can tell you more about how this works because maybe you have never used Zoom before or lots of different things you might want to ask me about time zones. We will have different sessions at different times of the day. So I hope to be able to accommodate people from different time zones. So drop a comment below if you're interested in any of this. And book a free one-to-one meeting with me so that I can tell you more about any of these activities. And I can even give you a demonstration. And we're going to motivate ourselves to do this type of activity, not only for a 7-day challenge or a January challenge or a Lent challenge. This is going to help us to change our whole lives. We're going to incorporate this into our everyday lives so that when we wake up in the morning and after we have used the bathroom and brushed our teeth, the next thing we just automatically do is jump onto the yoga mat and do our spinal movements, or we do our walking movements. But every morning we start the day with one of these beautiful exercises with other people who are living their lives on a carnivore or mostly animal foods lifestyle, that you're able to see those people doing these things together with you. That's what's important. So doing it regularly and doing it in a group of people, looking at each other, looking into each other's eyes. And I can't wait to be looking into your eyes and dancing along with you, no matter where it is in the world. Ah, I remembered to tell you, je parle français aussi. Alors, si vous voulez faire des exercices avec moi, dont en parlant français, est-ce possible? Das, und das ist Deutsch. I also speak German. Also, wenn Sie lieber Deutsch sprechen würden, dann, das können wir auch machen in meine Sessions. Wir können gerne miteinander reden, singen und tanzen und die deutsche Sprache verwenden, falls Ihnen das lieber ist als mit Englisch. And I speak enough Spanish so that we can communicate with each other in Spanish. And I understand enough Italian. So, in any of those languages, feel free to join. And in English or in Irish, which is my mother tongue, Gaelic. And actually, body language is one of the things we need most. I'm sure we'll have a way to understand each other, no matter what your language is. So I look forward to talking to you soon and hearing all about the way that you have incorporated carnivore or animal products mostly into your lifestyle. And I look forward to moving with you and motivating you to move. And I can't wait to be motivated by you as well. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Slán fall. Bye for now. Ah, you were wondering why is it called the No Shit Club? But then again, if you're carnivore, which means if you're eating primarily carnivore products, which is primarily animal foods, then you know why it's called the No Shit Club, don't you? No shit, man. No shit. Bye for now. Slán